Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the machine for its first run. Make sure the main power is OFF while you mount the film roll on a 3-core, then feed the film under the sealing rollers. Once done, turn the power on and navigate the control panel to set the package width and length. This ensures consistent seals. You'll also select temperature and speed presets based on film type, because these parameters control seal integrity and cycle time for every pack. Next, you focus on calibration and steady operation. You should adjust seal temperature using the film manufacturer's chart and tweak it in 5-degree increments. This prevents under- or overmelting. Run 5 sample packs and inspect seal strength, alignment, and film tension. If you see wrinkles or gaps, slow the conveyor speed by 10% and retest. Make incremental changes and document settings so you can reproduce them. Doing this saves. To finish a production run, stop feeding new product and let the machine complete current cycles, then clear any film remnants and collect finished packs on the discharge tray. Make a weekly inspection of blades, bearings, and the film path to prevent downtime. If seals become inconsistent, clean the sealing bar and re-level the platen. Debris and misalignment are the usual culprits. If problems persist, record the error, note recent setting changes, and consult the service log before making larger repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.